In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Notion templates on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. It really helps me out, and I appreciate your support. Alright, let's dive right in. Selling Notion templates can be a lucrative way to share your creativity and help others get organized. Gumroad is a fantastic platform for this, so let's get started step by step. First things first, you need to access Gumroad, so go ahead and open your browser and type in gumroad.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, you'll want to create an account, but for our purposes today, I'm going to assume you're all set up and logged in. Once you're logged in, look towards the right side of your screen. You'll notice a button that says Products. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all the magic happens. You're now in the product creation area. The next thing you want to do is click on Add a Product. Here, you will be prompted to choose what type of product you're selling. For Notion templates, you're going to select Digital Product. This option is perfect for our needs, since Notion templates exist in a digital space. Now that you have selected Digital Product, it's time to set the currency for your sales. Most likely, you'll want this to be in your own local currency, but ensure that it's something your target audience can easily understand and work with. Once that's set, it's time to move on to naming your product. Think carefully about the title of your template. Make it catchy and descriptive. This is your chance to attract buyers, so choose something that clearly communicates what the template can help them with. For example, instead of just saying Notion template, consider something like Ultimate Weekly Planner for Busy Professionals. Now, as we move down the page, you'll see a section to describe your template. This is where you can really shine. You should include specifics about what the template includes, how it can be used, and its benefits. Use engaging language to describe how this template can transform someone's productivity or organization skills. Next up, visuals. People are naturally drawn to images, so this is crucial. You need to upload an attractive image that showcases your Notion template effectively. The image should give potential buyers a clear understanding of what they can expect. It's often helpful to take screenshots of your template in action so that buyers can visualize how they'll use it themselves. In addition to the main image, make sure to upload a thumbnail as well. Thumbnails are often the first thing a potential buyer will see, so make it eye-catching yet informative. You want it to fit in well with your branding so that it's recognizable at a glance among other digital products. After you've added your images, you'll need to click on Save and Continue to move on to the next step. At this point, take a little breather and double-check everything. Read through your product description and make sure it's clear and enticing, and check your images to ensure they're uploaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with all the details, it's time for the final step. Click on Publish. Congratulations! You are now ready to share your Notion templates with the world. You can promote your Gumroad product through social media, blog posts, or even through dedicated emails to your followers. Remember, effective marketing is just as important as a great product. And that's a wrap. You've just learned how to sell Notion templates on Gumroad, step by step. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're excited to start creating and selling your own templates. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy